back out of the end with another video. Anyway, what we're doing today is, so last time we started the intercooler process and didn't quite finish it up. So I got it mostly all piped out. That side's connected. I don't have the clamps on because this isn't mounted. Intercooler's not mounted either. It's just up on a jack right now. The only problem we have is this connection right here. So that's connected down below. But this is having a little issue. I can't get it over any further because of the AC. And so in my fans, the fans don't work on the car anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull the whole AC compressor up here. I'm going to leave that on there. It'll just be free spinning. I don't think it'll have any problems. I'm going to pull the fuse for it anyway, just so it's not throwing any weird thingy things or whatever. But yep, that's the plan. I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. I'll set you guys up and then we'll get rolling. That was a lot of time lapse with what looked like a lot going on, but we got the AC out of there, so that's all cleared up, which actually looks really good and will greatly improve the flow to the radiator, which is dope. That's all set, and then we're just going to go ahead and pop in the radiator. I need to reconnect, so I had to take off that metal bracket in the middle where the horns are that connects to here. I'm going to go ahead and attach that up, and then we'll get to mounting the intercooler and getting all the piping done. So yay! Alright, got the support on, so we're going to go ahead and get the intercooler, going to put it on a jack, lift it up, get all the hoses connected, and then we'll figure out mounts. So this way we're not going to mount something and then realize that the hoses aren't going to fit. So we're going to get those all clamped up. I'll set you guys down and we're going to get rolling. Keep feeling like I'm hitting roadblocks and it's getting kind of annoying. And here's where we're at. That side, that's totally fine. This side, everything's great except for right here is literally sitting on the pulley and I can't push it any further over. So yeah, that's pretty stinking annoying. I don't know. I may have more things to mess with that. It's getting to really annoying. This engine is really frustrating me right now, but it'll be worth it all in the end. So that's really that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna try taking an angle grinder in there and chopping off the top of the battery tray because it's hitting this top of the tray right here, so I may try just chopping off a little angle right there, see if that gives us a little room. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this intercooler done for the day. Alright, so we got that piece cut, and then I went ahead and just, sorry, my phone's being weird. Went ahead and attached all, excuse me, all the clamps. One snapped off right there. That was dumb. I was like, alright, one more quarter turn, and then, yep, took that chunk right off the end there. So anyway, I'm just going to find another clamp. That clamp is just a little too small. Anyway, that's on. We have just the slightest amount of clearance right in there. I don't know if you can see that. We have maybe, oh, I don't know what that is, like 3/8 of an inch, if even that, maybe an eighth. We got enough room though, which is good. So the only catch is that the intercooler needs to be mounted all the way over that way as far as possible, which is why it looks a little off center, which will be totally fine because it's going to be covered by the bumper anyway. Got that down in here, and so I'm going to try to figure out something or some way to make a bracket or something. Oh, where's the light? To mount this to here. Or maybe even slide this over one more hole and see what we can do. But anyway, that's the plan for that. I'm going to go put it on a pot of coffee really quickly, and then we'll get right back out and back to work. Alrighty, so the intercooler is done. Next thing we're going to tackle is the radiator. I set this in just to see if these would fit the original mounts because it looked like it sat a bit taller, and we are good to go there. So I'm gonna have to pull this out again because we have fans in these boxes that we're gonna go ahead and stick on the back side of the radiator while it's out, and then we'll just get right to that. So let's go ahead, put you guys down, pull out the radiator, and see what we can do. Alrighty, so the battery died on me while I was trying to get the radiator in, but that's all set to go. The mounts down. The hose doesn't quite line up perfectly, but I think I could trim it to make it fit, so we're all set there as well, which is great. This is really going to be it for the end of this episode. So it was kind of a shorter one, which I guess, I don't know if that's good or bad for you guys. Some of you have a shorter attention span, so that works out better. Yeah, no, it was a good day. Good day. We got the radiator and intercooler in, and those are two big things that now we don't have to worry about, or we may have to worry about later. You never know. But anyway, that's great. Coming up, I actually do have a few bigger things planned to do in regards to helping with the channel. So I don't want to promise anything, so I'm just gonna leave that there for now. You guys may see this coming already, and it may be not a big surprise, but I just want to wait and make sure that I actually can finish it, because I don't want to promise something that I'm not going to be able to follow through on. So that's where we're at with that. I didn't clear anything up, so I don't know why I said that's where we're at with that, but hey, now you know. But that's going to be pretty much it for the end of the episode, guys. So go ahead and check out the links below. If you want to help fund the channel, I have a couple links down below to help do that. And if you want to go and have an opportunity to go win a car with Throttle, yeah, go check out that link down below. Joining Throttle VIP will get you entered to do that, and so much more. It'll let you enter to not only win a car, but also get 10% off all their products for all their store for performance parts and normal just replacement parts for just about any vehicle. I'm talking about any vehicle that includes an old Chrysler Town & Country minivan that I worked on for my parents. I even looked on there and they had the parts that I needed. So that was great. And you get so much more discounts than that. You could even get discounts for things like food. Like, the more you know. Anyway, that's that. Go ahead and check out those links below. Use the code Super and the website. I'm not sure if I put it in my hands this way. Throttle.com/i/Super. Both those things are down below. Go check them out, because helping support them helps support me. So anyway, that's that. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to do the usual dislike and subscribe. Leave a hit in the comments, guys. Bye.